bill that Indians who are not paying taxes abroad will have to pay taxes in India. How will this work?
At what point is someone considered as a non-residential Indian? And at what point he or she is identified in a different taxation bracket?
So what happens is that the residential status in India is determined on the number of days that you're physically present in India. So if you've spent 181 days or less in India, physically present in India, then you qualify as a non-resident, which is a huge benefit that NRIs get, that they do not have to report their global incomes in India. They only have to report their Indian incomes in India and pay off taxes on that. Apart from that, the taxation rates, the slab rates, or even the capital gain tax rates are pretty similar for NRIs as well as resident. NRIs have to pay taxes beyond 3 lakhs. India starts with a tax rate of just 5% and then it goes to 10%. And only if the income goes beyond 9 to 10 lakhs, then the tax rates increase. Otherwise, the tax rates are less than 10% actually.